This video will show you how to quickly and easily navigate through folders and text fields using your keyboard. This can be very helpful and save you a lot of time you would normally use scrolling and clicking. First, I'll show you how to locate something from a long list in AlphaDrive. Depending on how you have your matters organized, some folders may contain an unmanageable number of folders. In this example, you can see my Open Status folder has around 2,000 clients listed. So, if I want to find a client with the last name Suter, I would normally have to scroll for a long time, or click the scroll bar and try to locate exactly where this folder is. A much faster and easier way to do this is to simply click anywhere inside the box, then type the first few letters of the name of the folder you're looking for. If I type SUI, you can see that it automatically jumps to the Suter, Andrew folder and selects it. If there were multiple folders that started with SUI, the first one would be selected. You can navigate to the folder you want by using the up and down arrows on your keyboard. Now, instead of clicking on the folder to open it, just hit Enter. Alternatively, if you open the wrong folder, you can use the backspace button to move to the last folder you had open. You can do this multiple times to travel back several folders. One other thing you can do is hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and hit the up arrow. This is the same as hitting the up one level button on your file browser. Now that we've covered the basics of navigating file browsers, I'll also show you how to use the keyboard to navigate through entry fields. If you're on a window that has a lot of customizable fields for you to enter information and don't want to have to click inside every box to fill it out, you can use the Tab button to move from one to the next. For example, if I'm creating a new matter in Clio, I select the first box and enter the client's last name. You can see this brings up my list of clients with that last name. Now I'll select from this list using the up and down arrows. When my selection is highlighted, I'll hit Tab. You can see that hitting Tab has brought me to the next selectable field, which is Create a Contact. I don't want to create a new contact, so I'll hit Tab again to go to the matter description field. I'll enter my description, then hit Tab again. If you notice you've typed something incorrectly in a previous box, you can hold Shift on your keyboard and hit Tab to travel backwards through fields. You can also use these keyboard commands in many other Windows applications.